know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, guys. I miss you guys so much. Come give me a hug. Bring it in. Number one, y'all, I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Brandon Jones. I help you make an extra income. And if you don't know already, man, you can follow me at Educated__Hustler on Instagram. I appreciate you for tuning in and wanting to know about reselling this thing. Oh my God. Whew. The last week.
If we have learned anything from the past few years, it has been the importance of the concept supply and demand. No matter if it is your job that furloughed you because of a pandemic, or you have to leave a job to take care of family matters, there is always a need for extra income just in case. One of the easiest things is finding a niche that has a demand. Technology, fashion, and janitorial item are at the forefront of the list of things to sell. Introducing HeedTheConnect.com, a website where you control how you shop. You can purchase items for yourself or purchase items in wholesale lots to sell to consumers. With a wealth of selling platforms, the possibilities are endless. You can order test products, request custom orders, and start making extra income in the blink of an eye. All products are in the USA and take no longer than 3 days to arrive at your doorstep. No more drop shipping need. No more searching for vendor lists. No more confusion. It's simple. We supply the demand so you can benefit in the way you choose. Enjoy our marketplace and never have to ask, is he the connect?
This phone right here has gave me hell. We're gonna talk about that, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I do to make sure that I sell these the right way. But currently, oh man, life update. I'm hiring new people, getting the office up and running, way more smoother when it comes to doing wholesale fulfillments, when it comes to a lot of stuff. So everybody that has been reaching out to me, if I have not got back to you or one of my reps haven't got back to you, it will definitely be soon. It's just been a whole bunch of rebuilding when it comes to just scaling. You know, when you're scaling and when your business is getting bigger, naturally you have to bust out the seams and you have to go and find more people, and it takes a while to train them. It takes a while for me to actually be able to be in a position to where I can actually do multiple things like I used to do, again, because I'm out here being a recruiter, I'm out here being a trainer, I'm out here being a sales rep, I'm out here being a manager, I'm out here being an owner, I'm out here being an accountant, I'm out here doing all of that. So it's nothing against anyone, but you guys didn't come here for that. You came here when it comes to buying and flipping iPhone 14s. What is my thought on this? Y'all listen, phone looks nice. I do not currently have a 14. I have sold every version of the 14 already. I have brought every version of the 14 already. When it first came out, I brought them. And let me make this really, really clear. The way I buy phones is not the only way to buy phones, okay? It's not. You can buy the phones so many different ways. The way that I buy phones is the most effective way, in my opinion, to buy phones. Everything that I'm saying in any of my videos is not law. I have a lot of people that for some reason they want, I don't know if it's my attention or I don't know what it is, but they just want to like go back and forth about like stuff. I'm fully transparent, so I don't have to coordinate with your lies. And this is not to my guys, my team, you. This is to like other phone flippers that want to, I guess, talk because I'm spilling the beans and telling you guys the truth. But I literally am fully transparent, and that's how I continue to build my brand. He the Connect, you know what I mean? HeedTheConnect.com, buy wholesale items. But it's like, that's how I continue to build my brand, is by being as transparent as possible when it comes to flipping phones, when it comes to anything. I like to make profit. I don't like to buy phones for $5. And one guy is saying, oh my God, listen, if you buy a phone for $5, 10 times. And this, like, bro, listen, you buy phones the way you want to buy phones. You want to sit there and buy phones for $5, $10, $15, $20, $100. I don't care what you buy your phones for. I'm here in this position to tell people what works for me. I'm not here in this position to tell people what works for you or what your opinion is or whatever. I'm here to give my opinion and what I feel as though is the most valuable way to flip phones. I'm not going to speak on something I don't do, and I don't sell phones for low profit. I just don't. I don't. And then we got to go into the point of the 14. And this is the reason why I'm saying this, because if you have a locked iPhone 14, if somebody's trying to sell you a locked iPhone 14, any version, it's garbage right now currently, because these phones do not have a SIM card tray, right? And them not having a SIM card tray is affecting people from being able to unlock them. Now, the unlock prices will continue to go up and rise because someone is going to figure out how to make this more fluent and make it easier. But guys, right now, I would not, and I do not sell or buy locked iPhone 14s. And if I am, it's going to be a dirt cheap price, which I don't and would not dare offer someone, because it's like, bro, like, you can get so much more just selling this on the street than selling it to me. Now, what I will do is I'll buy it and then sell it in my store. But for those that do not have that luxury, I don't recommend buying it. And that's full transparency, because it's not going to make you a lot of money. Okay. Now, when it comes to iPhone 14s unlocked, they're a fairly good price, but I'm gonna tell you guys what phone really to sell besides. So we got the 14 and then we got the 13. Okay, the 13 is better to sell right now. Now you may be like, Brandon, what? How? Because while they're figuring this out, you're getting a lot of people and a lot of promotions on these. So a lot of people are gonna have iPhone 13 Pro Maxes, iPhone 13 Pros. Buy those. Buy them up right now, because these will not always be available. Listen, you getting the inside scoop. I'm telling you how it is, boo-boo. I'm telling you how it is. So make sure you guys follow that instruction. Again, if you dispute it, got a problem with it, let that be your business. I'm here to talk to the people. I'm here to talk to my people. I'm here to talk to my people, okay? Listen, if you want to flip phones, buy the iPhone 13 before you buy a locked iPhone 14. That's all I'm saying, okay? Now, when it comes to that, I want you guys to understand this. Sealed matters with the 14s. Sealed matters. That means if the phone is not sealed, it's going to be a major deduction. A major deduction, around $100. If you are buying a big variety of unsealed, fine. But if you're buying one phone and you're trying to make this an income, do not buy an open one for a huge price. Make sure you cut that price, okay? Now, when it does not have a paper on it, okay, that does not get you a lot of money, because it's not really new. I classify that as used. I do. I classify that as used and not new. So make sure you guys are looking at these phones. Make sure you guys are not paying overpriced just because it's an iPhone 14. You know what I mean? Just because it's an iPhone 14 literally means literally nothing. Okay, it does not mean anything. Okay, we need to make sure that we're getting the most value out of this. So for iPhone 14, I'm paying a good amount of money. For iPhone 14 Pro, I'm paying around $100 more. For iPhone 14 Pro Max, I'm paying about $200 more. But I'm not going to sit there, y'all, and I'm not going to buy 14s over 13s, because these 14s are creating a hassle. Like, it's like when I go to my buyer and I try to sell these, it's always a deduction. It's always a deduction. Deduction because it's locked. Deduction because it's open. Deduction because it doesn't have a paper on it. Deduction because it's activated. Deduction because, like, it's so many deductions, when with the 13, it's way more uniform. So if you are buying these phones, please check with your buyer to make sure exactly what deductions are coming off of these. Be really, really transparent. What I do is I'm sending all the IMEIs in front of the buyer, or before I meet the buyer, I'm sending these IMEIs to my buyer. I said, scratch that. When I meet the seller, I am then sending the IMEIs to the buyer, and then the buyer is sending the results and what he would pay back to me. because I have to do it at point of sale, because these prices are really, really inconsistent, and I do not like the inconsistency. So me personally, I'm all about consistent money. That's why I stick with these. But at the same time, these are beautiful phones, and I know the prices are gonna increase. So these are technically assets. So if you are looking for an asset and not a profit right now, keep buying these. If you're looking for an instant profit and you want it to be stable, buy these. This is not stable right now. This is stable right now. Not stable right now, stable right now. Making a good amount of money in the future, making a good amount of money, making a good amount of money now. Making money right now? No. Making money right now? Yes. Making a little bit of money right now? Yes. Making a lot of money right now? Yes. Now, some people are going to try to say, no, Brandon, you're wrong. You can sit there and you can buy these and whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. Listen, no. On OfferUp, prime example. People are selling iPhone 14 Pro Maxes for $1,600. Bro, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? It just better be 1 terabyte. Like, I've brought about 5 1 terabytes for, I want you to guess how much, because I don't say prices online, but I'm going to say one right now. I bought 5 1 terabyte phone, iPhone 14 Pro Maxes, open box, for $1,100 each. So it's like, you gotta know how to, and guess how much I get paid? I ain't telling y'all, but just know that you gotta be able to negotiate your price. You gotta be able to know exactly how. So just know it's all about profit. A lot of these people that are buying phones, they have their own procedures and their own beliefs. Me personally, I understand the art of negotiation. I understand how I want to negotiate. I understand how I want to put my input in on every sale. So I do it with a passion, and I don't settle for deals. I make deals happen, and I don't settle for small profits. If I have to, I will. Okay, let me make that clear. If I need a flip and somebody's gonna make me $50, cool. But I don't really go under that because I don't need to. Maybe most of these people do. I don't. Okay, so I just wanted to make that clear, man. If you guys don't already know, man, I'm back with the bangers. I'm gonna keep releasing videos. Today is my commitment to release a video every single day. I know I fell off because I'm doing this and doing that, but now things are becoming more stable. A lot of people are getting more interested in the product boxes, so thank you so much. If you want to get a wholesale box full of products that you can sell on MERCARI, Amazon, eBay, and then straight from my store, straight from my warehouse, you can go to IamHustlersMindset.com and hit product box. You can order 20, you can order 40, you can order 60, okay? That you can get wholesale products within 2 days to your door. And guess what, guys? Guess what? It only starts at $50. $120 will get you 60 products. 60 products is enough to be able to fill a whole slate wall so that you can sit there and sell it, okay? I'm giving you guys game. I'm giving you guys products to make money. I'm not just sitting here in front of a screen. Okay, guys, this is how you do this. No, I'm trying to actually reach you guys. I'm trying to actually impact you guys. It's just I can't impact everybody all at once. So those that are literally on my side and I gotta communicate with you, guess what, guys? I have a dedicated team that I have that picks up the phone and talks to you guys when I can. But for the most part, if I can, I am, and I will. I promise you guys, I love everyone that supports me. I love you. I want you to make the most money, man. You already know how I'm coming. So thank you guys so much, man, for tuning in. And I hope you guys have a productive day or night or evening, whenever you're watching this video. And you already know, my name is Brandon Jones, and I am dedicated to helping you guys make an extra income. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.
Put him on the crypto, it was cheap, but he ain't wanna listen. Put him on the money, he was broke, but he ain't wanna fix it. It's a competition where I'm from, who gon' be the rich?